because my name is Elle. Did you know that? Did you really? Did you really know that? Did you?